Hi, I'm Serena Off Course, and this is our model classroom. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to res objects into this model classroom. Then you can arrange them and take them back into your inventory as a unit. To do this, you need to find in your inventory, which is this little suitcase, the objects your teacher gave you called Welcome to Class. Now, I don't want to drag these out until I do a very important step. Hold down Control 3. Notice my cursor changes and my edit window opens. Now I'm ready to drag these out of my inventory and into the classroom. You can see them resing. Now you'll notice they're not in the right position, but that's okay because as long as I leave this edit window open, I can move these as a unit. This welcome mat is going to be our landmark for getting them in the right position. So I'm just using my camera to move and sliding that welcome mat right into position, right in the doorway. And I'm going to look inside, and things look good. The posters are on the wall, and I'm holding the Alt key to move my camera inside just to see if it's all in position, and it looks great. So now I'm ready to let go of the edit window and everything's in position. Let's go inside and have a look. At this point, you can move all these objects to any position you would like for your classroom. Right-click on the object, use the arrow key, and move them. If you want to rotate something, you hold down the control button and you can rotate it. Now once you have things in position the way you want them, you want to take them back into your inventory. We want to take them as a whole unit, just the way they came. To do this, you want to go up to the Build menu, down to Options, and make sure that this button is clicked right here, Select Only My Objects. That way you'll only select the things that belong to you. Once you're sure that's clicked, you're ready to start. You're going to right click on the rug. We're going to start and finish there. I'm just going to close this window so we have a little more space. Then I'm going to hold down my Alt key. I'm going to cam out and then hold my Shift and drag it over all the objects. You see how everything's highlighted inside the building? I'm going to go back inside the building, holding my Alt key, and once in a while I click on my control button to move my camera where I want it, because the last thing I want to take is this rug. So I want to hold Shift, click on the rug again, and then click on it again. That makes it the last object that I've chosen. Now I'm ready to take all these things back into my inventory. So I'm going to right click and take right here. And you'll notice that everything's gone. I didn't miss anything, which is great. And I'm going to close this window and look in my inventory. Now you'll notice that I have 2 copies of Welcome to Class. So I might want to rename this copy by right-clicking on it, renaming it, and just keep that as my original. Can't spell, but there you go. That way, in case something happens and I lose this, I have that one. If I drag this out a few times, I'd want to delete the older versions. So there you go. I hope that helps, and have a great time building your classroom.